This is Consonant Blend PR. Each letter keeps its own sound, but we're going to blend them together into words. Okay? P sound is p, p, p. R's sound is r, r, r. Let's tap and stretch them together. Purr, purr. Good. Let's see if we can make some words. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch. Prep. Tap and stretch again. Prep. Good. Say it fast. Prep. Say it fast. Prep. Prep, to prepare, right? To get something ready, to prep it. Good. Let's try this word. Tap and stretch. Prim. Tap and stretch again. Prim. Say it fast. Prim. Say it fast. Prim. Prim. Prim and proper. Yeah, to do it appropriately. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Prod. Good. Tap and stretch again. Prod. Let's say it fast. Prod. Say it fast. Prod. Right, to prod somebody is kind of to push them to do something. Or a prod could even be like a stick that you push things with, like animals. A prod. Okay, let's sound out our new word. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Prom. Tap and stretch again. Prom. Say it fast. Prom. Say it fast. Prom. Yeah, prom is a high school dance. And those are the words that we made with Consonant Blend PR. Good job.